How to reactivate Instagram account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to reactivate your Instagram account. So if you had already deactivated your Instagram account previously, then all you have to do is just open up your Instagram account or application, and from here just make sure you have remembered your user email or email address or mobile number which you had used to register into your Instagram account correctly. So once you remember it correctly and fill out the details correctly, just like this, you can simply click on continue, or if you have forgotten your password, you can also try to reset it by simply clicking on this forgotten password button over here and simply putting up your mobile number or email address which you used to register to your account to this account, and the recent link will be sent to that particular provided Gmail. So once you do that, you will be receiving your WhatsApp or SMS notification for security and login purposes. So once you do all of that process, you can just reset your password and just click on continue from over here, and just like that you should be successfully logged into your account. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.